In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your fiscal year end in QuickBooks. This process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes of your time. Whether you're adjusting your fiscal year for tax purposes or aligning with strategic business goals, knowing how to change this in QuickBooks is crucial. Let's start by signing in. Open your preferred web browser and head to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. If you haven't bookmarked this page yet, it's a good tip to do so for easy access in the future. Once you're there, click on the sign in button located at the top right. Make sure your internet connection is stable as we go through this process, which will minimize any disruptions. After you've clicked on sign in, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online from the options available. This selection ensures you're navigating through the online version of QuickBooks, where the fiscal year adjustments will take place. Next, you will enter your login credentials. Type in your username and password carefully. If you use a password manager, this can speed up the process. Then simply click on Continue to access your QuickBooks account. Once you're logged in, move your attention to the top right corner of the QuickBooks interface. Here you'll see a gear icon which stands for Settings. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal more options. It's worth noting that the Settings area is where you'll find most of your account management tools. In the Settings menu, you'll see an option called Accounts and Settings. Click on this and you'll be directed to another screen where you can manage various aspects of your QuickBooks account. The layout here is user-friendly, but if it's your first time, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the available options. Now, look for the Advanced tab on the left-hand side of the page and click on it. This section covers the nitty-gritty details of your QuickBooks configurations, including your fiscal year settings. Within the Advanced settings, locate the section labeled First Month of Income Tax Year. Clicking on this will allow you to change your fiscal year. Consider consulting with a finance professional if you're unsure which month should be the start of your fiscal year, as this can have taxation implications. Select the new month you wish your fiscal year to begin. Double check your selection to ensure it aligns with your business's financial strategy. After making your selection, don't forget to click Save to apply these changes. QuickBooks usually takes a moment to update your account, so be patient. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your fiscal year end in QuickBooks. Remember, making these adjustments helps keep your financial data organized and ensures your business runs smoothly. If you have any further questions, be sure to explore the QuickBooks Help Center or reach out to their support team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in managing your QuickBooks settings.